In this video, I'll show you how to replace the battery in your Audi SQ5 key fob. This will just take you a couple minutes. All you'll need to get it done is one replacement battery, which is a CR2032. You can get these online, and if you're interested, you can go check out that first link down in the description, which will take you over to Amazon, where you can find these for a great price. Now to get started, flip over your key fob and find the button on the bottom. Hold that down, and while holding, pull out the internal key. Back on the front here, down in this bottom tab, that is actually a button. You can see how that goes down. You're just going to hold the key fob, push down on that button, and pull on the tab. Pull and slide that piece right out of there. You can then just remove the battery. Grab your new 2032. When you're ready to put it in, make sure the positive side is facing down like that. Just set it into place. Now, all you need to do is just slide this piece back in, click it all the way down, and you can put the key back on there. If you'd like to make sure you did everything correctly, just push on a button and make sure the light is activating. That means that you did everything correctly and you are good to go. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, feel free to leave us a like or a comment. And if you ever need help with another key, you can come on back to this channel. We'll have you covered with a tutorial like this one.